Alden Richard update. Yan, nag-morning run marathon si Alden kasama mga ka-gymmates niya at pinsan niya si Ate April. Ito pa nga yung IG story ni Alden at pinsan niya si Ate April. Sabi, run, flip, recover. Ayan, 8 kilometer ang tinakbo nila sa loob ng 1 hour. Grabe yun. Ayan, may pinag-aandahan si Alden. Ito yung pabati ni Alden.
Junior high school completers of Rosario Integrated School Batch 2024 headed by Dr. Alicia Aprecio. Congratulations and God bless you.
Yun o. Trending din si Alden sa Twitter. Alden Richards and McDo ni Alden. At sa post ni Sparkle GMA, sabi, Alden Richards McDo franchise was recognized as the highest in sale. Yung Cafe branch at the recent included Crown Jewels, the OO Awards. What a fantastic achievement. Congratulations, Alden. Congrats kay Alden at si Daddy Bay. Sa McDo nila, McDo ni Alden sa Binan Highway. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para updated po ang future reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.